Roscón de Reyes. What is it? And what's the Spanish tradition behind it? Let's learn about this delicious dessert and learn Spanish along the way. Did you know El Roscón de Reyes is part of the celebration of the three wise men? This celebration also marks the end of the holidays. Mira, con todo el corona. Yay! It is a sweet bread, ring-shaped, traditionally eaten on Dia de Reyes in Spain, but also in Latin America and of course in Mexico, where I am from. There are slight differences, but what I've found out is that mainly it's regional. So even within Mexico and within Spain, there are some differences in the type of bread, the filling, but I think the most traditional is the one that you are seeing in this video, with decorative features like candied fruits, to whipped cream, pistachios, cream or butter, and so on. In Spain, you can find inside the Roscón de Reyes two things, one figure and one haba, which is a broad bean. He who finds the figure of a rey will be crowned with a corona and king will be. Though, who he finds the broad bean or el haba will pay for el roscón. We eat the Roscón de Reyes on the 6th of January, the day when we celebrate the arrival of the three wise men, or the three kings, los Reyes Magos. Now, tell me, which are the words that you have learned through this video in Spanish? Comment below and subscribe. I really would like to hear from you.